What if I told you that by learning just one word, carry, you can unlock an entire family of phrasal verbs? The first phrasal verb is carry on. It means to continue. Please carry on with your presentation. The nuance is that something may interrupt you, but you keep going anyway. And here's a bonus meaning. In British English, carry on can also mean to behave dramatically or make a fuss. Stop carrying on like a child. Next up is carry out. It means to perform or execute. The scientists carried out an experiment. The nuance? It's more formal than do. We use carry out for plans, investigations, inspections, research, and official tasks. Next up is carry forward. It means to move something into the future, not physically, but to the next period, project, or opportunity. For example, let's carry these lessons forward into our next project. In business, it's commonly used for budgets, balances, losses, or plans that continue into the future. The last phrasal verb in this cluster is carry through. It means to complete something despite difficulties. She carried the project through despite many challenges. The nuance? It's not just about finishing, it's about persevering until the end. Problems come, obstacles appear, but you keep going and succeed. The next cluster is about transport or move, started with carry around. It doesn't just mean holding something for a few minutes. It means having something with you wherever you go, either physically or emotionally. For example, she always carries around a notebook, or figuratively, he still carries around a lot of guilt. Carry off has 5 main meanings. The most common is to succeed at doing something difficult. She carried off the presentation with confidence. It can also mean to win something. They carried off the trophy. Literally, it means to take something away. The wind carried off the roof. In more formal or literary English, it can mean to kidnap someone. The pirates carried off the captain. And in old-fashioned English, it can even mean to cause someone's death. The illness carried him off. One phrasal verb, 5 different meanings. That's the nuance. Here are some other phrasal verbs with carry that native speakers also use. Take a moment to look through the table and see how each one is used.